Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler High Altitude 4xe in bright white. With LED headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch off-road wheels, black tubular side steps by MOPAR, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7450.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.